This is precious cargo. It came to Brazil from China surrounded by hope. A vaccine that, if trials are successful, could help defeat the coronavirus pandemic. The first of some 9,000 volunteers, all healthcare workers, quickly rolled up their sleeves to take part in the trials of this vaccine candidate, known as CoronaVac, developed by Chinese pharmaceutical Sinovac. This woman, a doctor at São Paulo's Hospital das Clínicas, later recorded a message to the public.
This is a historic, unique moment, and this is what made me wish to be a part of this project. I wanted to be a part of this moment. After such tough moments, it's an injection of encouragement to be a part of this, to be able to tell people in the future, I did it.
The trial in Brazil is being conducted in partnership with São Paulo's Butantan Institute, which expects to begin producing the vaccine locally early next year if these phase 3 trials are successfully completed by the end of 2020.
Abrimos o primeiro escritório internacional de São Paulo.
China is the main commercial partner of Sao Paulo. That's why in August last year, we opened the first international office of our state in China, in the city of Shanghai. And it was during that commercial admission to China that Sao Paulo's Butantan Institute signed its first agreement with Sinovac, creating the grounds for what's happening now.
Brazil is seen as a prime testing ground for vaccines because of its high level of COVID-19 infections, more than 2 million so far, and its large and diverse population. Healthcare professionals are particularly exposed to the coronavirus. That's why they're also on the front line when it comes to testing vaccines against the disease. About a month ago, this hospital dentist, who deals with COVID-19 patients on a daily basis, was volunteer number 1 for Brazil's first phase 3 vaccine trial, a candidate developed by the University of Oxford and pharmaceutical company AstraZeneca.
Since I took the shot, I have been behaving just like I used to behave before. I have not changed my routine or level of exposure to the virus. Also, I have not felt any adverse or side effects.
The Oxford AstraZeneca project is in partnership with the Rio de Janeiro laboratory controlled by the Ministry of Health.
We intend in the first half of the next year to produce all the vaccine here in Brazil, to be self-sufficient in the production of this vaccine.
And this week, Brazil cleared trials to begin later this summer for 2 more vaccine candidates jointly developed by US company Pfizer and German firm BioNTech. Countries and companies in a global race for a successful COVID-19 vaccine, in competition to a degree with each other, but against a common foe. Paulo Cabral for CGTN, São Paulo.